Yeah, this rap's about Rubik's Cubes. When doing these puzzles, you never lose. The addiction started not too long ago. Will it ever stop? Hell no. What up? I'm Little Ren B. Your puzzle skills are no match for me. These colorful brain teasers are my best friends. I will be solving them till the very end.
Yo, my name is DJ Dylan. I make you messa, so don't forget, son. Me and Ren B are the best around. You try and mess with us, we'll put you to the ground.
Yeah, that's right. We like playing with plastic.
Solving Rubik's Cubes are so fantastic.
Turning every way to get it done.
Solving these puzzles are endless fun.
Rubik's Cubes, I love them.
Rubik's Cubes, I want them.
Rubik's Cubes, I love them so much. They are so awesome.
Rubik's Cubes are my hero. Rubik's. I love Rubik's Cubes. Rubik's.
Feeling you get when you solve a Rubik's Cube.
It's a feeling of accomplishment in the pit of your gut. Impressing your friends can't get any better. This little cube puzzle has changed my life. It might just end up to be my wife. 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, Siamese monkey cube. Don't forget the K-ball, mother trucker. 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, 1x1 if you're lucky. Siamese monkey cube. Don't forget the K-ball. That's right. Rubik's Cube rap.
Yep, you're jealous.
We're coming at you.
All the way from L-Town. Repping the L-Town for Shizzle My Nizzle.
Yeah. We love Rubik's Cubes, and so should you. Josh's is better.
Yeah, go for show.